What do you see that Amelia's doing, huh? Tyler.
That's quiet.
I know, I was trying to get him like doing a yelling thing.
Okay, watch this.
You getting with Sophie? Good job, Amelia. Amelie's my helper. She's picking all the basil off tonight.
Oh, I have to watch the dress head.
Is that your friend? Is that your friend?
You could chew on it.
You want to put that in your mouth?
Chew on it.
Here you go. Let me help you hold it. I know. You want to hold it and put it in your own mouth. There you go. Very good. Look at you go. Bet that feels good to your teeth, huh? Yeah. You have something you want to tell me?
Look, Mommy. Look, Mommy.
Let's see what you've done. Hey, should we chop them now?
Can I talk to you?
Sure. Let me get you a knife.